What will you sow in November? I myself will sow some herbs now, including coriander. Which seeds do I use to grow coriander? You only need to buy coriander seeds once, because after the plant has flowered, you will see green balls growing where the flowers were. Supermarket seeds often won't work because they are roasted. It is best to use raw coriander seeds. You can buy raw coriander seeds, but you can also get free seeds if someone in your area is an enthusiastic gardener who grows their own herbs and has collected seeds. I want to place a coriander plant in the kitchen on the windowsill. It is nice and cool against the window. This way I can cut fresh coriander to cook with in the coming months. From October, November, the coriander plants will grow well on the windowsill because it is cooler. It's important not to place them warm above a radiator. I often sow coriander in two ways. I can fill a tray with potting soil and put the round coriander seeds in it. As soon as a plant sprouts, I pick it up from the tray and plant it in a growing pot to continue growing. I can also take a plastic container with a lid. I put pieces of damp toilet paper in it and place a coriander seed on each piece. As soon as I see a long root coming out of the seed, I pick up the seed with the toilet paper. With tweezer, I can do this easily without accidentally touching the growing root. I place it in a growing pot and bury it with potting soil. As soon as I see roots growing at the bottom of the pot, I transplant the plant into a larger pot. The plant feels it has more space and will grow better. I usually do this 2 or 3 times. The plant can also go straight into a larger pot, but I don't have enough space on my windowsill, so I do it in smaller steps. Transplanting the plant into a larger pot on time is very important. Look at these 3 plants. I sowed them at the same time and I gave 2 plants a larger pot, but I left the middle one in the first small pot. The difference is clear to see. I usually sow 2 or 3 coriander plants. I keep 1 plant to transplant outside in a flower pot at the end of April, beginning of May. I can use potting soil to plant it out, but I can also make a mix of compost and old potting soil. I don't place my coriander plant in full sun outside because when it gets very warm, the coriander plant often bolts quickly and starts flowering. As soon as I see the plant shooting up quickly, I cut off as much as possible and let it dry to fill a spice jar. I let the cut leaves dry on the cupboard in the living room where the sun doesn't shine. Once dry, I scoop everything into a spice jar. I always let 1 plant flower, so that after flowering I can collect the seeds. The seeds can also be used in cooking, and then I have seeds again to sow. This way I never have to buy coriander seeds again, because I always have more than enough. I only collect the seeds when they are dry and nicely brown. Until then, I'll let them ripen on the plant. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please leave behind a like for me. Do you have some tips or questions for me? Just ask them in the comment.